Okay, here we go. So this is the first spray. I better smell rich after this. What is up, you guys? Welcome back to Chiq Blend. My name is Rachenta Marie.
And I'm Qui, and in today's video, we are doing a review of Maison Baccarat Rouge 540.
And if you are new to our channel, what is going on? We do everything luxury, beauty, and fashion. So if you like things like that, make sure you subscribe, a thumbs up. And to our loyal Chiq Squad, what's up? Alright, let's roll this video.
Okay, so this is the product we will be talking about. If you guys follow us on Instagram, you know that I on the low opened up her perfume.
I can't.
And did like a little viewing for you guys. So you do know what this look like, but this will be Ree's first time seeing this perfume. But before we do an unboxing, Ree, I want to know, what made you buy this perfume?
So I actually got this because it's quarantine. I've been walking around looking like a bum, looking frumpy, and I'm like, why not smell good?
Are you smelling like a bum?
Not right now. I smell good right now. So yes, I usually rotate between 5 fragrances. So I'm like, listen, I want something new. So I got online, typing up Bloomingdale's, and then I saw the price. And I was like, girl, the price is ridiculous. But I was like, listen, I'm gonna look into buying the travel set, and that's what I did. So let's go ahead, open this up. I'm just excited. So we're just gonna pop this open, and oh, the travel set, the boxing is really, really nice. It's gold and white, looks very luxurious. Oh, I don't know if you guys can see it, but we'll do like an up close shot of this also.
That's really nice.
Yeah, it's very, very pretty.
As it should be, because it costed how much money?
It was $2.95.
$2.95.
And this was literally a blind buy. I do not know what this smells like.
I actually do know what it smells like, and it smells absolutely amazing.
I'll be the judge of that. Okay, let's see. Oh, it's really pretty.
It's 5 travel size fragrances.
And then it actually comes with the, ooh, the canister is just very
pretty,
sturdy and pretty.
Lift it up. Let's see.
Oh,
it's magnetic.
It's magnetic. I'm so excited. And I just get high. Okay, here we go. So this is the first spray. I better smell rich after this.
You gonna smell rich.
Okay.
It smells amazing. Oh, okay. Give me some. I only want one.
Okay. You only getting one squirt.
Girl, don't play me.
She's already smelled it. Okay, so here we go. Okay, so it has a burnt sugary smell to it.
It's kind of masculine a little bit.
I was just about to say that it smells masculine, and usually I'm not into masculine.
It definitely has a woodsy scent.
Yeah, it's like a woodsy scent. This smells freaking amazing. So this is very different from what I'm used to wearing. Usually I do fruity floral smells, and this is not that, but it's a really good. It's a good masculine.
Put this on. I did this for y'all, okay? I put it on my arm just to see like how long it would last, how long I would smell it for. 2 days was what it was.
Oh.
I put it on my pajamas, and it definitely lasted on my pajamas
for
as
2 days?
well. On my pajamas longer.
Holy
like maybe 3 days, 3-4 days.
This smells absolutely amazing. So the scents, the notes that they have in it is jasmine, saffron. Oh, you said wood.
Oh,
and it has
definitely
cedar.
Smell.
Yep. It has cedar wood in it and ambergris. I don't know what that is, but it smells good. I don't know what it is. Okay, so I did the travel set because usually when I'm out and about, I like to smell good throughout the whole day. So sometimes I will literally bring my whole thing of perfume with me, which is freaking crazy. And I'm like, I'm not about to spend $300, break it, and then what? So I'm like, let's look into the travel set, so then that way I can share with my sister, I can give her some, and then I'll have some. And I felt like this was definitely worth the price.
So let's get into the pros and cons about this perfume. Do you want to do the pros? Because I could think of some cons.
Yeah, I'll do the pros.
Okay, so should we be a Debbie Downer first, or should we be...
Let's do happy first.
Let's do happy. Okay, so
with me for the pros of this, I feel like the pro is there's 5. So you literally can just, sometimes I will put my belongings in one purse and forget in the other. So I feel like a pro is you can put them in the purses that you wear the most and you won't ever leave it. That's a pro. And then the color scheme, it looks very expensive. It smells freaking amazing. Like, I cannot wait to wear this with my guy. He is gonna freaking love it. He's gonna love this.
And then it do come with a canister.
It comes with a freaking canister.
And it's beautiful.
If you wanted to gift this
beautiful gift.
Yes, this will be great for birthdays, Mother's Day, Christmas. Also, like with this travel set on Bloomingdale's, if you get this, they will gift you 2 fragrances or whatever gifts they have available. So I did like that. So we have 2 other small samples of the Baccarat. So yeah, I'm really excited about that.
Okay, so let's talk about
The
some
cons. What are the cons?
First of all, of course, the price is a con. I definitely feel like, even though this is very unique, it's really, really nice, but I do feel like you could get something cheaper, you know, that kind of smells similar or in that same notes category. So maybe like a Dior J'adore will kind of remind me of this a little bit.
We should do some dupes on this. Try to
we'll
find
have to do some dupes.
Okay.
I definitely feel like it's stuff out there that's kind of similar. Not the same. It's definitely unique, but definitely it's perfumes out there that's kind of similar. Also, the canister picks up fingerprints really easily.
It does.
So, and scratches easily too. Like I kind of scratched the top already, you know. Don't tell Ree.
And that was the end of our video. If you guys like videos like this, make sure you thumbs up and subscribe. If you have any more requests for videos, leave it down below, and we post every Thursday. So for the question of the day is, would you or would you not purchase this travel set? Let us know down below. And if you already have the Baccarat, let us know down below if you like it, if you sent it back. If this is just not your cup of tea, just let us know. All right, and don't forget to stay what?
Chic.
Chiq Squad out.